Texas Target Math. Math, 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 math. Hey guys, let's go over the orange from A to F and see if you got your answers correct. Let's start with A. It says round top number to the nearest blank. Well, the blank up here would tell us whole number. So in this box, you should have the word whole. Okay, so that means I'm going to take the top number and I'm going to round it. So I'm going to say 8.8. I'm rounding it to the nearest whole number. I look behind, 5 or more, up the score. So I add this to a 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Everything else in the back changes to 0. Because it's a decimal, I can actually leave it off and just put the answer 9. Did you get it? Did you get it? If not, please fix it. All right, let's go to B. Write in order from blank to blank. Well, up here it tells you from G to L. So I fill in the blanks, G to L, and hopefully you know that means greatest to least. And what numbers I'm putting in order from greatest to least? It's going to be these 4 numbers. So I'm going to take my grid paper and I'm going to go ahead and line up my decimals. 4 and 8/10. Notice put my decimal here and then I do 14 and 8/10. And then 14 and 4/10. Notice all my 10s are lined up, all my 1s, and all my 10s are lined up. So I can take a look. If I'm having trouble, remember, I can always either put a 0 here so they can have the same number of digits, or I can put a dollar sign in front of them. Either way that helps you, go for it. And I'm going from greatest to least. Automatically I can see 14 and 8/10 is my number 1. So I'm going to fill that in. And then 14 and 4/10 is number 2. And then number 3, 8 and 8/10 or 4 and 8/10? 8 and 8/10 is going to be larger. And last but not least, the smallest is going to be 4 and 8/10. Yay! Check that out. Did you get it correct? Did you happen to put it in order from least to greatest? Make sure you pay attention to the order they want you to put it in. All right, look at C. C, compare numbers in block boxes. Okay, so I'm going to write it down. 8.8 is either going to be greater than, less than, or equal to 14.8. And we already know, if we look at 8.8 and 14.8, I can see 14, my whole number, is greater than 8. So the alligator mouth points to the biggest number. There's the eyeballs and my teeth. All right, look at D. Write top number in expanded form. Remember, expanded form is when you take a place value and you stretch it out number by number. So first we have 8 1s plus 8/10. Done. That was too easy. Now E, sum of top 2 numbers. 8.8 plus 4 and 8/10. And remember, I want to show my work nice and neatly, so I'm going to come over here, put E, eight plus 8, carry my 1, bring down my 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I bring my decimal straight down. Make sure I can read your information right there, please. I know that's a little small. All right, for F, difference of bottom 2 numbers. Bottom 2 numbers. Okay, the difference. Well, I got to figure out which one goes on top. We know that 14 and 8/10 is greater than 14 and 4/10. So I'm going to put 14 and 8/10 up here minus 14 and 4/10. Well, I can do this one right here. 8 minus 4 is 4. Bring down my decimal, and I have 4/10. Did you get that one? All right, ladies and gents, and that is going to be it for A through F, the orange. Woohoo! Did you get those correct? See you later.